Hey folks, welcome back to my channel Nayak RC. Today's video is going to be on how to do a mission planning for a VTOL quad plane. I have already made a VTOL quad planes few times, and if you want to see, if you haven't seen my videos, please go to the link in the description. You will be able to see VTOL quad plane and how did I build it, that also is also there. So today let's see how to we do a mission plan for a VTOL quad plane, that is automated mission plan, automatically take off in VTOL mode, convert to fixed wing, complete the mission whatever is planned, again come to a home point, convert into quad and land. That is what we are going to see in simulation, and also I am going to share a video of the mission plan in real time which I have recorded. Let's jump into the video. Guys, let's go and do a mission plan for a VTOL quad plane. To do that, go to simulation tab. I am increasing my simulation speed to 3. There is no quad plane here. How to do it? Click on this model. You see here model. Click on that one, and on the top you will see quad plane option. Click on that quad plane option. After that also there is a confusion. Either you need to select multi-rotor or fixed wing. You need to select a fixed wing, airplane. Click on airplane. It will download the software in the loop. Now you can see the quad plane settings is connected. Here it says, in the status tab you can see here it says fixed wing. Okay, fixed wing, it's a code for fixed wing as well as multi-rotor. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to do a mission. Go to plan window. Again I am at my home position. So I want my quad plane to fly in guided mode. How to do a guided mission? Similarly, same thing follows for the survey mission also. So here I am going to take one point and get that point closer to the home location, and for that point I am going to expand this one and do a VTOL takeoff. You see this option, VTOL takeoff, and take off up to altitude of 50, take off altitude up to 30 meters, let's say 30 meters. Now point 1 is laid, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, and after 0.6 we'll add a 0.7, make 0.7 as a RTL, simple RTL, don't do anything else, do a simple return to launch option. This is how the mission should look. VTOL takeoff, first point should be VTOL takeoff and takeoff altitude of 30 meters. Next, what all waypoint altitude you want to do, you give it, and for RTL you make it 0. Once this is done, my waypoint radius is 90, I will reduce it to 30. That depends on your drone. Mission planning is done. I am going to reduce this window down again. Now I am writing the mission. I am reading the mission. Yes. Now I will go to data tab, actions tab. Here I will set my mission start. Now my VTOL quad plane is ready to take off. So here how it will take off, it will take off vertically and convert it into fixed wing mode. So that all settings depends on the aircraft which you are building. I am arming the drone. Now it says armed, and I am doing action. Yes, start mission. So you can see only altitude is increasing, forward speed is not increasing. That indicates aircraft is taking off vertically. It reached 30 meters, then it started horizontally. So it's going horizontally as a fixed wing aircraft now. You can see here. Forward speed is 24 meters, 23 meters per second. You can see airspeed is 23 meters per second. So I'll reduce zoom down. Airspeed is 23 meters per second. Altitude is 100 because all my mission is 100 meters. Distance to home point, the distance to MAV, micro air vehicle, that means from distance to home location. So it is like 400 meters. It is completing the mission. It reached the last waypoint. RTL is triggered. You can see here. Aircraft is still coming in fixed wing mode. You can see speed is 25 meters per second. Now once it came to the home point, it is reducing its speed by circling around the home location. I am going to do a Q land. Let's see. Set mode. Now the aircraft has converted into quadcopter mode and it is reducing its altitude. You can see altitude is reducing down. Forward speed is 0 now. Here you see aircraft has safely touched down the ground. That is how you do a safe and sound VTOL mission planning simulation. Now you will see the live video which I have done in the field.
Coming. Ready for flight. Rotor check. 3, 2, 1.
Mission 1 VTOL takeoff.
Leading altitude.
Mode change to auto. Heading to waypoint 1. EKF your reset 0.69.
18 meters, 18 meters, 19 meters, 20, 24, 25 meters, 26 meters.
Mission
30
2
meters.
WP. Heading to waypoint 2.
Transition successful. Going for waypoint 2.
Mode change to RTL. Heading to waypoint 6. Mode change to QRTL. Reset alt target to 100.6.
Back transition confirm.
Land descent started. Land final started. Land final started.
Boys, flight successful. Congratulations for your team.